what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a replacement for an Evap purge solenoid. It's going to be on a 2008 HHR Super Sport. It's equipped with the 2.0 LNF motor. Here's the solenoid. I got this off ZZ Performance. I'll post a link to the description below. What you're going to need is a ratchet, an extension, and 10mm socket. This is the location for the solenoid. It's right in front. This is it right here. It's pretty easy to change out. Shouldn't take more than a minute or two. This is the single bolt holding it in. Gonna get right down there with the ratchet. Sped this up for time's sake. Once you get that screw completely out, the structure will slide right out. You can pop off this little sensor. It was already partially popped off. Solenoid will come off the mount, and there's a little plastic piece. You just got to slide it back, and you can pull this part off also. Here's the new one. Just put some oil on the gasket down here. Try and rub that around. And work in reverse. Just put it right back into its place. Again, pretty easy install. Bolt, screw it back into its spot, and you're pretty much done. Make sure it's nice and tight. Don't go too tight. Put this plug right back in. And that goes back on top. And there you have it. All done. Thanks for watching. If you can, hit like, subscribe. Would really appreciate it.